y'all? It's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a flexirod set on stretched natural hair. I'm going to try the horseshoe method. I've never tried the horseshoe method, so I'm hoping that all of this effort doesn't end in a fail, but we just gonna pray about it and hope for the best. The products that I'll be using are this Lotta body foaming mousse and a little bit of this shea butter and aloe twist defining cream from Rosanna Naturals. Rosanna Naturals is a black woman-owned brand, and I really like the way that my hair has reacted to the products that I've tried so far. I'll link their information down in the description box. I have my flexi rods. Do y'all remember these pink organza bags from Lola's Boutique? I haven't shopped there in a minute. I wonder how they doing. Anyways, I have my products, got my tools. Now let's get started. The goal is big and fluffy, so I'm not sure if I should use the gray or the orange flexi rods or both. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. So let me section my hair off. This is where I want my parts, so we're gonna keep that there. I'm gonna comb out this section. Let me take my ring off. It's snagging. And I'm thinking the section should be about this size. Okay. So I'm gonna take the twist defining cream first. And I'm only using like a very little bit. Normally when I do like flexi rod sets and perm rod sets, I don't like to use a lot of products. I normally just use mousse, but I don't want this to be like dry. So just a little bit. I didn't even show y'all how much I used. Let me show y'all in a minute. I used about this much, a little dollop. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that foaming mousse, a pump. Comb that through for even distribution. And I think I'm gonna go orange first just to see what it gives. All right, so I'm gonna divide this section in two. Take my perm rod. I keep saying perm rod, flexi rod. Bend it at the middle. Girl, I done had these perm rods so long. So at the root, I'm just gonna twist, twist. Then add a little bit of that defining cream at the end just to kind of stick it to the rod. And I'm gonna bend it to hold it in place. It's hanging. Oh, we good, we good. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Hold on. What are you doing? I'm doing something wrong. Okay, wrap it round and round. Round and round. Then take defining cream, wrap it around. And bend it. Why does it look like that? I'm gonna try it again. Hold on. That's not right. Start at the root. Twist, 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 bend. Same thing to the front. Okay, that's a little bit better. Clearly this is not a tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing. A tiny bit, dollop of that defining cream, a pump of the foaming mousse, comb through for even distribution. Split that in half. That's not quite half. Take my flexi rod, bend it, lay it in the middle, and start to twist. It's not looking right. It's not looking good at all. What's going on? Let me redo this one. It's stuck. Why can't I get this? It seems so simple. Okay, I'm just gonna speed it up because my confidence is a little bit low. So it's the next day. I did go in last night to retwist and reposition some of these rods to make it a little bit more comfortable to sleep on, but it was still a rough night. Now it's time for the moment of truth. I think my hair is dry, so I'm gonna take this Taliah Waajid Appleseed Oil. It's a nice light oil, and I'm hoping it'll help control some of the frizz, because I can already tell you in my roots, we frizzy. It is not smooth on this rod at all, but I can finesse the roots. What I'm most concerned about is my ends, because they don't tend to do what I need them to do unless I use a small perm rod, but we gonna see. Okay. So the flexi rods are all out, and just as I suspected, my roots are. But my ends aren't that bad, so let's separate and fluff, see how big we can get it. Might just be a curly fro, but that's okay. And when I separate, I make sure that I don't go all the way down the length of the curl. I just focus on my roots. So these are my results, and you know what, for my first try, I don't think it was that bad. I mean, I need to try again, but it's not that bad. It's real frizzy though. Frizz happens. So this is day one, so she's very shrunken, but at least she's moisturized. Didn't bother with the edges because they ain't gonna stay slick no way, and I'm about to play with it, try to make it a little bit bigger, step outside for a little bit, because that's all it takes. And yeah, trial and error, we gonna get it together. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me attempting a flexi rod set using the horseshoe method for the first time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all you people. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later.